Hello everyone. Today's topic is knowing hours number. As we studied in our last class, in this class we will analyze much more dimensions of the numbers. In last class we studied that how we can add number, how we can expand number, how we can write number in words, how will we read our numbers. Like in last class we studied like that, how to spell this number in math. In last class I told you that the last digit is called unit digit. Second last is called 10th digit. This is called 100th digit, and this is called 1000th digit. Unit digit, 10 digit, 100 digit, and 1000 digit. If we write this number in words, what we call 5467. Now we will talk much more greater number. We are living in a society, we are living in a world where very large number exists, like 1000 kilometers, 1 lakh kilometers. The distance between Earth and Moon is around 4 lakh kilometers. So how we will write and how we will round off these numbers? Unit digit, 10 digit, 100 digit, 1000 digit, 10,000 digit, and lakh digit. So this is 4 lakh. Now we will ask about how to estimate a number by rounding off. What is the need of rounding off? Whenever we go to market, whenever we go to anywhere, whenever we assume something, then there is a large numbers, and large numbers like that, there are some points, there are some things which comes when we add these numbers. These numbers hinders the addition of these digits. Let's see. If we see in these two numbers, if we add these numbers by just rounding off, then it is easy to add them. But if we add these numbers that is written without rounding off, it will take time. So how to round off this number? How to round off big numbers, small numbers? Like this is written 10,541. If we want to round off this number 10,541, then what are the conditions for rounding off the numbers? Let's see. From 1 to 49, any number which is in the last of a big number, if it is from 1 to 49, then we will round off it to 0, like this. The round off number will be 500. If the same number is from 51 to 100, like 562, 62 is greater than 51, then we will round off this number to 600. Then the question arises, what about 50? 50 is the number which is in the middle of 1 to 100. 50 can be added to 1 either or to 100. So 50 can be added to 1 and to 100. What if the last digits are between 1 to 49, then we will round off it to this preceding to 1. If 51 to 100, then we will add it to, then we will round off it to 600. There are other numbers also exist, like there is kilometers, miles, centimeters. Same is like liters, milliliters. If we write 1000 kilometer, then this is a big number. If we want to convert this kilometer into meter, then what we will do? 1000 into 1000. Because 1 kilometer has 1000 meter, then it will be unit digit, 10 digit, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So these are the numbers which exist in math. These are the large numbers. Now we will talk how to add the numbers in math. As I said, there are certain way to identify or to spell a word in math, like unit digit, 10th digit, 100 digit. If we want to add two numbers, 5643 and 244, these are not same numbers. First number have 4 digits, second number have 3 digits. Then how we will add? First we will have to identify what's the place value, like that. This is unit digit, this is 10th digit, this is 100th digit, this is 1000th digit. We can write upon above like that: unit to U, 10 to T, 100 to H, 1000 to T. If we want to add these two numbers, this is the U, this is 10, this we can write TH, this is to H. Then we have to place unit digit below the unit digit, 10th digit below the 10th digit, and 100 digit below the 100 digit. We can't write down like that: 5400, 643 and 244. This is the wrong way, because this is the unit digit of the second number, but the first number's unit digit will be 3. We have to arrange these numbers according to their digits place. Like that, unit digit should be placed below the unit digit. Like that, the correct way will be 5643 upon 244. Because in upper number we are talking about the unit digit. In second number we also talking about unit digit, but when we add these numbers, the unit digit will come below the value of unit digit. The same is doing here, that 3 is unit digit and 4 is also unit digit. The unit digit below unit digit, 10th digit below 10th digit, 100, 100, 1000, because in second number there is no 1000 digit is available, so there it will remain a blank. Now we will add them. 3 or 4, 7, 4, 4, 8, 6, 2, 8 and 5. It will be 5887. Now we will study how to round off the big numbers. As we studied recently, as I talked that 1 to 49 will be added in 0 or either 1. 51 to 100 will be rounded off. How to round off the number? There is a rule. 1 to 49 will be rounded off to 0. Like 549 will be rounded off to 500. Below 50 it will be come to this 0, 500, last digit will be rounded off to 0. Same is there, it will be rounded off to 100, like 6,667. It is greater than 50. The number, the last two digits comes in between the 51 to 100. Then we will be round off it to 600. Sorry, 700. But about the big numbers, the large numbers, if we write 10,000. If we write 10,051, how will round off them? So there is a pattern, there is a rule to round off small numbers and great numbers. If the number we are talking about, the last two digits, last three digits comes in between 1 to 499, then it will be rounded off into preceding, like that. It will be round. It is 51 and we are talking about 499. There is a 51 exists between 1 to 499. Then what will we do? The number will be rounded off to 10,000. If we talk about what about 500? If I write 10,500, then how we can round it off this number? This number can be rounded off to either 11,000 or either 10,000. This can be rounded off to both ways. Now we will talk about 5012,999. 5012,999. How we will round off these numbers? If I write 10,672, the 672, we are talking about 100th digit. 100 digit, because this is the number 672. The number comes in between 5012,999. Then we will round off this number, because this number comes in between 5012,999, because 672 is greater than 501. Then we will round off this number to 11,000. If we add these numbers,